Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving into the world of augmented reality. If you're into medical illustrations and want to take your learning to the next level, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this app to bring medical illustration to life for free, right from your iOS device. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the App Store on your iOS device. Search for XR Anatomy and hit that download button. Don't worry, it's completely free. Now from another device, tablet or laptop, go to the website xranatomy.com. Navigate to the contents and select a topic. Choose a medical illustration and look in the upper right corner of the illustration, and you will see an icon. This special icon is your clear signal that this illustration is ready to come to life in augmented reality. Back on your iOS device, start the app and select your topic. Remember, this app covers multiple topics. So, if you're exploring osteology on the website, make sure you select osteology in the app too. It's all about matching things up. Now scan the image. Boom! The 3D model will pop up right on top of the illustration. You can now interact with it, zoom in, rotate it, and learn like never before. Ensure that the illustration bears the augmented medical illustration icon and that the topics match both on the website and in the app. Your iOS device will work its magic and will recognize the image. Wait for it. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to dive deep into the world of augmented reality, learning with this amazing app. Whether it's osteology or cardiovascular anatomy, you've got it all at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, run into any issues, or have any suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy learning.